It's been 45 minutes, you've been blowing my phone. I'm in shit situation that's out of control. My bad, I've been so fired up in here. So when I close, it's clear, moving for out of reach. What I got on my mind is that I'm hurting you like it. This ain't just, I ain't no side piece. But I bet you're too upset to even notice. I've been trying hard to keep it floating. You got a night if I wanted. Shit got me pretty honest. And I'm tired of being open. Cause we keep on going back to where we started. Every moment I said I wish you might. Putting you past so we can't rewind. If I end up with you one more time, then I guess you're my favorite. Cause that's right, I'm not, but that's fine. Cause I'm back to
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Faith. Wish you all for the best. Yun lang.
before I kiss you. Someone repeat and reminisce you. I don't get the issue.
Happy birthday, Ate Faith, and sana bumait ka na, tsaka sana na huwag ka na magjowa.
Never get past out of my impatience. Used to you, I don't know if I can repent. But I bet you're too upset to even notice. I've been trying hard to keep it floating. You wouldn't mind if I wanted. Shit got me pretty honest. And I'm tired of being open. Cause you keep on going back to where we started.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith!
Happy birthday sa'yo, Faith. Enjoy mo lang kung anong meron ka ngayon. Enjoy mo kung nasa anong edad ka ngayon. Mararating mo rin lahat ng gusto mong marating sa buhay. Makinig ka lang sa magulang natin. Pagpatuloy mo yung pagiging mabuting kapatid mo sa mga nakababata mong kapatid. Yun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith!
I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived. And
Happy birthday, Zakia! We love you!
just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith. You're a blessing beyond words. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Proud na proud kami sa bagong chapter na nakamit mo ngayong 18 ka na. As a parent, no words can describe how much we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Faith. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you every good thing in life and sana lahat ng pangarap mo is matugunan mo.
with your faith with God. Thank you palagi for being my guide, for being my ate. Thank you kasi merong ikaw. Happy birthday.
I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive.
Ngayong birthday ni Faith, yan, Angelina Antonio na yan!
Eyes off you.
Happy birthday, Gia! Mahal na mahal kita, okay?
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to on the lonely night. I love you, baby.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith. I love you. Wish ko lang sana paabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Focus lang lagi and lagi mong ilalagay sa lahat ng gagawin mo, sa lahat ng magiging desisyon mo si God. I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Yun lang na.